From the next road trip, greetings. Performance and style on the road are redefined by the distinctive design of this 2026 Kenworth T680 motorhome. Instead of just a truck, we're looking at a statement piece in 2026. Its forceful adaptive LED headlights, crisp Kenworth grille, and body Q32 lines all add to its powerful aerodynamic appearance, which blends efficiency and style. A 15-liter Cummins X15 engine that can produce up to 605 horsepower and an amazing 2050 lb-ft of torque sits beneath all of this luxury. Navigating any terrain is made easy by the smooth and pleasant ride provided by an Eaton Fuller 12-speed automatic gearbox and evenly distributed power. Its striking appearance, which features a two-tone metallic paint job, unique aluminum wheels, and an autonomous slide-out function that extends the inside while parked, makes every stop an extravagant show. You enter the cockpit, which doubles as a control room and an ergonomic command center. The dashboard of the 2026 Kenworth T680 motorhome is adorned with genuine wood accents and premium mastic leather. It also has a fully configurable digital instrument cluster that displays all relevant data in high resolution. A quick dual touchscreen infotainment display that seamlessly combines wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto serves as the navigation and communication core. For smooth visibility, a 360-degree video system is also integrated. The driver and front passenger get leather-trimmed air seats with heating, cooling, and massage features to make every mile more pleasant. From the cockpit, you enter a spacious, luxurious living area designed for enjoyment and relaxation. A spacious living area with an L-shaped, luxurious leather sofa that can be used as a bed thanks to a motorized slide-out mechanism is accessible from this portion. Large windows and motorized shutters offer vast vistas, yet multi-zone LED ambient lighting always creates the perfect atmosphere. A stunning surround sound system combined with a standalone widescreen smart TV makes for an unmatched mobile entertainment experience. The ambience in the main bedroom is calm. Its excellent orthopedic mattress and luxurious king-size bed provide a restful night's sleep. This has a full-size closet with built-in dressing table, hidden storage drawers, and mirrored doors. The five-star hotel features a second flat-screen TV and a personal music system. Just enough light is permitted in by its large windows with blackout drapes to provide the finest possible sleep. The bathroom of the 2026 Kenworth T680 motorhome is an opulent yet useful retreat. It's larger than you might think for a motorhome, and it features a walk-in shower with a glass wall, a rain shower head, and good water pressure, as well as a granite sink with a designer faucet and a porcelain toilet with an efficient flush system. No matter where you travel, a large mirror with built-in LED lighting and hotel-style storage drawers completes the rejuvenating shower experience. The 2026 Kenworth T680 motorhome's kitchen allows for the preparation of delectable meals while traveling. This area is a chef's dream, complete with home-sized stainless steel equipment including a dishwasher, a 4-burner induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and a refrigerator and freezer next to each other. Large granite or quartz countertops offer enough workspace, and a range of storage cabinets with soft-close drawers ensure that all of your tools and supplies are kept neat and secure out of sight. 2026 Kenworth T680 motorhome. It is not just a vehicle, it is a way of life.